Have you ever uploaded a video on Facebook and it ends up splitting into multiple annoying small videos like this? You have seen it. It is too annoying. It's really terribly annoying. It has happened to me, and today I'm here to show you the solution. This is how you can solve this issue. So you have to log into your Facebook account, whether it's a profile or page. Now in my case, this is my Facebook account page. And then next you have to click here. So we just click here, post, and then we select video, and then from all this we can choose any videos which we want to upload. For example, let me select this one. The next thing that we have to do, we just have to click next, and then after this you have to scroll a little bit up, and then you click here. And as you can see, once you publish a video longer than 90 seconds, we will try to determine where there are speech gaps and cut it at those points. So this means that is where those multiple annoying small videos come from. So what we have to do, we just have to off this. We just have to disable this option. Disabling it means we have to come and click here. We just have to tap this to disable it. The moment this is disabled, it will never happen again. In the future, whenever you upload any video, it will not be split into multiple annoying videos again. Click the subscribe button if you have liked my video and if you'd like to get more videos like this.